Hello and welcome to We Said She Said, Food for Thought. And tonight we are making, what are we making, lady?
Linguine with clam sauce.
Yeah, not real clams, sadly. We've got these little puppies in a jar, well, a
We
tin.
can doctor them up.
And some white clam sauce. And a bit of pesto with basil, or basil. Some garlic, onion.
Okay, so many people are going to say...
So what's happening over here?
Okay, well, here's what's going on. It's a little dark because our filming quality is not where it needs to be. It's basically 4 tablespoons of butter, 4 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm going to add some red pepper flake along with a fresh lemon, and I'm going to saute some onions and garlic.
Okay, add in the onions now.
Okay, so I would like to explain something. It's kind of a faux pas.
Yes, who?
A faux pas.
Who's he? Faux pas?
It's French or something. But
You're American.
to add basil, you can
Basil.
add basil.
Basil.
But you can add this. The only thing is that people say cheese and clams do not go well. I disagree.
You do?
I do. And I'll show you why.
Okay. What's happening in here now?
So we had about 1 tablespoon of pesto. We added 2 tablespoons of flour. I'm going to add these up to warm them up.
That says clams.
Yeah, because we're in the Midwest. Explain.
Yeah, so they're in a tin. This is what it is. There's a sauce. Lovely.
So we're going to heat up our pasta here and add some salt to it. And then, it's almost like a roux, but it's not.
And that's the sauce from the clams, what the wife has just added.
Same. If we were by the coast, it'd be so much better, but it's what it is. Then I'm going to go ahead and add this and make sure.
That's the lemon.
Yep.
It's all good stuff. It'll still be tasty, even though it's not real clams. But it is what it is. Well, I guess they are real, aren't they? I mean, they're not plastic. They're just in a tin.
It's different. I wouldn't say they're not real. And then I'm going to put that in there.
And then as linguine is not really linguine because we're clearing out as cupboards with stuff. It's spaghetti. But it is what it is.
I need to explain that. I got a free can of pasta sauce and I could get spaghetti. I couldn't get linguine.
Well, that blows.
Well, it was free. It's $2.
Free's good.
So it's all good. And then you should show them down here.
Oh, we've got some bread going as well.
Look at that.
The wife's making some bread. There you go.
Go, wifey.
No, it needs a bit longer. Okay. But we've done bread in a previous video, if you want to see how to make bread. Well, I did. Don't know about the wife.
He's winking at me. He's such a pain. This will be good. It's good. It's a quick, easy 20-25 minute meal. Instead of buying like meat, doing meatloaf, doing whatever. It's easy.
Alright, we will be back. Okay. What we got going on here?
So we're going to salt the water and we're going to go ahead and make sure that it's boiling before we put the pasta in. Okay. This is, as you can see, starting to thicken up.
This is smelling really good actually.
It's
I've got
so
to tell you.
easy.
And it's kind of healthy.
It's
I like healthy.
Right. So
coming from England, we do eat a lot healthier than America.
You eat clams every day, do you?
No, I don't actually. But
with a nice salad, though, this is a very quick, simple meal to make.
It does smell good.
And so we want to go ahead and stir this. You can add more clams if you like. I love seafood. Do you?
I see food and I eat it.
Okay, great. So we're going to go ahead and boil the pasta And that's going to go on for about al dente.
I don't know him.
So
Does he
if it
come round
says-
regular?
Okay. If it says 10 minutes, it'll be 8. Okay?
Mr. Dente, huh?
Be right back.
Alright, so we drained the old spaghetti. We've got us clams and stuff going on well. We've got the plates ready, and we're pretty much ready to plate it up.
He's hungry and he wants to eat right now, but the bread's not ready.
I don't care, let's just eat this. Okay, so here we are, plated up. So the cost of this is about $3, but the big question is, do we add cheese? I think we should, I think. People say not to, but I like
With
cheese.
seafood they say that too, but watch. There you go.
It looks kind of tasty. Alright, gotta go because I'm eating this stuff. So, thanks for watching. He said, she said, food for thought. Cracking stuff.